Hey guys, Ricardo here, and of course I have a Android TV here, and this is a Google TV in terms of the operating system, and it's a JSW TV. So to get it into Android recovery, go ahead and press and hold the power button, and of course you need to find the physical power button. The remote will not work. You'll keep holding. Normally to power on, I usually hold for about 15 seconds, and of course once I do that, it powers on. To get it to recovery, keep holding. So simply just press and hold, especially on this JSW TV. And of course once I see that it's powering up, I simply let go, and there you go, we're now in Android recovery. And what we can do here, although sections of the screen is obscuring, this is the Android recovery. From here we can factory data reset. I'm not going to actually do that, but I'm going to show you around. All right, so you can find everything. You're going to use your remote to navigate, and OK to select. So you have reboot system now. That will reboot the system. And the key here is to head towards, if you want to factory data reset, like if your TV is stuck on boot, you can actually go to the option that says data slash factory reset. That's this option down here. I'll show you it in a minute. It's right down here. Here you go, and you can see it says data slash factory reset. I've just passed it just now. And of course you have other options, include to power off a TV if you want. All right, you can also clear the cache partition. That's the option above. So here we go again. So the sixth option, that's this option, that would be the factory data reset. Reminded that it will go to another screen when you select I don't want to do it. Then it will ask you if you want a factory data reset. You're going to hit OK. At the bottom of the screen you're going to see the progress. Then it's going to wipe the TV. All right, so if you need to wipe your TV to either start over afresh, or if you're going to sell it, or maybe you can't boot up or stuck on boot, this is the option that you want. Go ahead and select it with OK on your remote. You can use it up and down to navigate. And just beneath it you'll see cache partition. And of course I'm just going through the menu options, and when you're finished hit reboot system. And I'm just showing you how to get to this menu. So this is how to boot into Android recovery, and you can do a factory data reset for the JSW TV, or clear the cache partition, which all is great if in case your device is stuck right here on boot and just keeping in a boot loop, or of course if you just simply want to refresh your system. This should work on every Google TV. So this is a Google operating system, although it's a JSW TV. So whatever your brand name is, whether it be TCL, whatever the name is, Hisense or whatever, it doesn't matter the name of the brand. This is how you get to the Google TV. It might, sorry, the Android recovery, it might be slightly different on other TVs, but this is specifically for the JSW branded TVs. All right, so hope this was useful, and you can see the remote there, and here you go, it's up. And of course once it's up, this is just a screen that popped up, and there you go. All right, so that's how to do it on these TVs. If you have any comments or questions, please ask below. Ricardo Gardner saying bye until next time. Bye.